Alright, so to start off week 4 with the SQL demo, we had to use this website here, and to do the first question was to order the table for all items unless they are snowshoes or earmuffs. That is the program like this, where you select the ID, the order date, the item for each row or column, and then from the items ordered table, and then where the item goes in between or just ignores snowshoes and earmuffs. And so when I click submit, it has every item here that was sold except for snowshoes or earmuffs, which you do not see anywhere here. So for the second question, we had the item and the price of all items that start with the letters S, P, and F. I went ahead and used this program, select the item, the price from the items ordered table, where the item had a similar that started with an S, P, and an F. And I got this from reading the book. It's right here where you can use the pattern for a matching character at the beginning or an end. And then the third question, oh wait, I gotta submit this just to show you, has all the items that start with an S, a P, and an F. And then for the third question, it was the quantities of each item sold and the average price per item. So I went ahead and wrote this program out where it selected the item, the quantity, and the price from the items ordered table, and it grouped it by item and ordered it by quantity. So it was in descending order from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 quantity wise, and it showed the price per item as well. And for the fourth question was to write a program that showed the cheapest umbrella. Oops, sorry, that's not what I wanted. Which I went ahead and wrote this program where it selected the item, the quantity, the minimum price from the items ordered table, where the item was umbrella, and then grouped by item. So I just did, there was umbrella. And then for the final task that we had to program, it was the sales revenue and the dates on which 2 items were ordered. So for that one, I went ahead and wrote this program out. Sorry, let me backspace this so it's easy to read. I selected the order date, the sum of the price and quantity to get the total amount of sales of that item, and then from the items ordered table, and then where the quantity was greater than 1, because we didn't want any item that only sold 1. Then I grouped it by order date, and this is what we had. So as you can see, the sales are quantityed up from the original if they were sold more than 2, which these all were. More than 1, I mean. And yeah, I believe that that answers all 5 of the questions that were asked. And that's it.